What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Haley Cairo if you guys are new, and if you are a returning subscriber, I'm so glad you guys are back for another video. Today I'm sharing with you guys a DIY Gucci inspired backpack. This thing turned out so cool. I'm so excited to share with you guys these tips. You guys can do this to all different sorts of things. It doesn't have to be a backpack. You don't have to use all of these things, but I wanted to show you guys just what's available out on Amazon for you guys, because you can make denim jackets, coin purses, wallets. You can do so much with this. So stay tuned for the video. Let me know what you guys think, and let's get started. But don't forget to click that subscribe button and turn on post notifications so you never miss a video, and follow along on social, where you guys can catch me over on Instagram and get recipes, workouts, daily tips, tricks, and planner hacks. I'm going to have all of the patches and the beads and pins in the description box for you guys. This was seriously such an inexpensive project, and you can do this to whatever grade you want. I mean, if you just wanted to buy the brooches or just the one of the set of patches, you could do it that way, but I really wanted to just encompass everything that Amazon had to offer for this inspired Gucci bag. Now, I'm not a huge fan of buying the knockoffs online. It's not my thing, but I think it is kind of cool to DIY something like this, because it's not like the logos are actually on there. It's just an inspired piece, and I absolutely love the tattoo look of these patches. It's got the American traditional style, and I just think that's really cool. So what I'm doing is ironing these on. You want to have a buffer between the iron and the fabric that you're working with, so that way you don't get anything scorched. But it takes 15 to 30 seconds depending on the fabric that is in between the iron. I recommend looking at other backpacks. If you look up patch backpack or Gucci patch backpack, so that you can kind of figure out placement ideas. I ordered the flowers, the snake, the tiger, all in a big set. It was pretty inexpensive. I think it was under $10. And you can use these on denim jackets. You don't have to use this on a backpack. If you wanted to do this on a pencil pouch or a little wallet or something, that would be really cool. A lunchbox even. But I thought it'd be fun to do a backpack for the back to school series, and I really like how it turned out. We mixed kind of like an edginess with some glam. I'll show you in a little bit with the pearls. And then I actually really like the swallows, just because with Kyle being in the Navy, that's like a poignant thing for them, and I liked that feature, or having that be a part of this bag. And then we also have the bee with the crown. Now, some of the patches were not iron on, and you can definitely sew them. I wasn't going to do that though, so I have some rubber cement. This stuff works incredible, and I just used that to adhere the orange flowers, and then I placed my brooches where I thought I wanted them to go. And then here's the tricky part. Me, when I say we, I mean me, I decided to start playing with the pearls, and I just have a tweezer, and these are flat backed, and they came in a set. And then I'm using this E6000 jewelry and bead glue. It's really good stuff. And make sure you have tweezers, because you don't want to get it on your hands, and if you're working with small beads, it'll be tricky. But I placed the beads in certain areas first before I glued them, just to see the placement, and then went back and glued them. And I wasn't going to do a ton, and then I kind of got carried away, and I might end up doing the entire bag. I don't know yet. We'll see. Just make sure that you give at least 24 hours before you use the bag after you do any type of glue applique, and you want to ensure that they are all glued on nice and tight. And then you can also go back after everything's settled and remove some of the glue that you can see, to get the strings and stuff off of there. And then we are going to move on to the bee ribbon. They had a ton of different Gucci inspired ribbons. They also had elastics if you wanted to make hairbands or bracelets, but I like the navy and red pattern, so we're going to be attaching this with the rubber cement right on the straps, and I think it just kind of gives the back like a little extra something special, since Gucci has, I mean, if you've ever looked at Gucci bags on the fronts and the backs, there's just stuff going on everywhere. So it's kind of like everywhere you look on this bag, there's something interesting to look at. It's definitely more of like an art piece. The whole time I was making it, I was just like, this is more like a sculpture. I don't even want to use this. It's gonna just look so pretty. Now you could also get a kind of like designer inspired purse that already has like pearls and some glitz and glam to it. They did have some backpacks that were really nice, but I was trying to keep this budget friendly, and this oh my gosh, Haley, this backpack was really inexpensive and is so well made, very durable, and I've had JanSports for years, and I always felt that they were super thin and so expensive for what you were getting, and this sucker is like heavy duty. I really like this. Like, I might order another one just to have it. But yeah, you could totally just order something that already has some designs to it, and then just add like the brooches, maybe make a little tassel with the ribbon, just to do something to give it that kind of like Gucci vibe. I recommend allowing the backpack to just kind of set for at least a day or two, so that way if you need to go back and fix any loose ends or something comes up, you can do that before you actually start using it. But I hope you guys liked this video. It was super fun to make. I think the backpack turned out really cute, and I love doing these DIY videos, so if you guys want to see any more, give this one a big thumbs up and tell me in the comments what you guys want me to DIY. I'll have all my other previous DIY videos in the description box for you guys. I have some room makeovers, DIY furniture and decor, office organization, cell phone cases. There's a lot of DIY stuff. Oh, and school supplies. Can't forget the school supplies. And I'm also going to be posting a new DIY school supplies video, and it's going to be super fun. Plus, there's some things in there that are just good for like office supplies. So even if you're not a student, I think you're going to really like this video. But as always, I hope you guys are doing well. Don't forget to click that subscribe button, turn on notifications, and follow along on social. And I will see you guys in the next video.